Hey guys, what's going on? Anonymous here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to customize your desktop with rainmeter. Let's go ahead and roll the intro.
Live life golden, yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden.
Alright, now that we're on my desktop, you guys can see it's customized, it looks pretty nice. What you're going to want to do to get that is first you want to go to rainmeter.net and go ahead and download the final. This is the latest, most stable release. You want to go ahead and download that. Once that is downloaded, it'll pop up with some like pre-installed themes, and you want to go ahead and uncheck them, like get rid of them. And then after that, you can go whatever order, whichever order is best. They'll all be in the link. Let's start off with my wallpaper. I'll put the link in the description down below for this wallpaper. I just looked online for cool wallpapers that are 1920 by 1080 in HD. So I picked that one, and then I did Carbon version 1.1, which adds gadgets and stuff for look like this stuff right here. That's all that does really. Next I picked Waveling, which is this right here, but like when music is playing and stuff, this will be activated, which I'll show you guys after this video before I do my outro. I won't have a mic during that, so don't mind that. Then after that, we have this stuff here. This is the Cycle 1.0. And you can see here it just adds icons. And then I also put the Android clock, which is this right here. And you can click that and it gets rid of that if you so wish. But I like it there, so I'm going to keep it like that. But yeah, after you have all that, you guys should probably, if you guys don't know, I'll make a more detailed video on how to activate everything in rainmeter once installed. But for now, that's just how to install it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Now I'm going to be showing you how this works. See you guys later. Peace out.
Raindrop, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up, open the park pot.